All right, what if I told you that entire teams of humans could be replaced by AI? No salaries, no sick days, no burnout. Yeah, I know that sounds wild. But today, we're talking about something that's been making serious noise in the AI world. HumanAgents AI. And whether it's actually revolutionary or just another overhyped tool. So, stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what this platform does, who it's for, and whether it's worth your attention. Let's be honest for a second. Running a business today is exhausting. You've got employees who get tired, tools that don't talk to each other, manual tasks that eat up hours of your day. You hire more people, productivity drops. You buy more software, complexity explodes. You outsource, quality goes down. And the craziest part? Most traditional AI tools don't actually fix this. They wait for prompts. They don't think. They don't decide. They don't improve on their own. They're basically very smart but very lazy assistants. And this is where HumanAgents AI steps in. HumanAgents AI positions itself as a next-generation AI agent platform. Not just chatbots, not just tools, but autonomous digital workers. These AI agents are designed to handle things like customer support, sales conversations, lead qualification, appointment booking, follow-ups, FAQs, product recommendations, objection handling, and even multilingual conversations, all automatically, 24/7, without hiring a single human. The platform works in 3 simple steps. Step 1, create your workspace. You set up your business environment in minutes. Step 2, deploy AI agents. You can use pre-trained agents or customize your own based on your goals. Step 3, let them work. Once deployed, these agents start selling, supporting, and converting automatically. No APIs, no coding, no complicated setup, no learning curve. And according to the platform, everything runs from one central dashboard. Here's where things get interesting. Traditional AI tools react to prompts. HumanAgents AI claims to act on goals. Traditional AI does one task at a time. HumanAgents AI claims multi-step execution. Traditional AI has no memory. HumanAgents AI claims it learns and improves over time. And yes, they even say it can replace human roles for certain business functions. Now, obviously, that's a bold claim, but for repetitive, structured workflows, that's exactly where AI thrives. Let's talk money. Hiring even one employee costs you salary, benefits, training, management time, and mistakes every single month. HumanAgents AI takes a different approach. No monthly salaries, no per-agent fees, and instead of subscriptions, they promote a one-time payment model. Which, let's be real, business owners love. They position it as something you don't rent, you own. HumanAgents AI is clearly built for entrepreneurs, agencies, marketers, SaaS founders, coaches, e-commerce sellers, freelancers, and business owners who want automation without complexity. If your business relies heavily on people, tools, or manual work, this could be a serious shift. So here's the real question. Is HumanAgents AI magic? No. Is it the future of autonomous AI workflows? It might be a big step in that direction. AI autonomy is coming whether we like it or not, and historically, the early adopters are the ones who win. If you're curious, cautious, or just want to see how far AI agents have come, HumanAgents AI is definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more AI reviews, and I'll see you in the next video.